Sizwe Africa IT Group is one of South Africa's leading integrated IT service providers. We are a passionate, skilled and rapidly expanding partner of choice for many leading organizations, both in the private and public sector, that benefit from the value we contribute across the entire IT value chain. 20 years ago, we started as Sizwe Business Networking, a box-dropping organization, and we have grown to be a services and solutions provider, which has established a nationwide footprint. Sizwe has built an impressive track record based on our ability to offer complete peace of mind to our clients. We do so by providing innovative solutions to the most demanding challenges. And we have demonstrated that we have the technical knowledge, experience and ability to deploy effective, resilient and reliable solutions. In building this expertise and capabilities, we partner with leading providers in the hardware and software arenas. For the RT3 transversal contract, we partner with Kyocera Document Solutions South Africa to bring award-winning multifunctional devices and solutions to government.
My name is Hazel Musai. I am the Business Development Manager at Kyocera Document Solutions South Africa. In this presentation, we are going to take you through some products and services of the RT3 2018 contract. Sizwe is an authorized partner of Kyocera Document Solutions. This contract incorporates different elements, of which some will be standard and some are optional extras. These elements are hardware, related software, managing and automating. Hardware, which is Kyocera multifunction printers, MFP, that will all come standard with a data security kit and a power surge. Related software are tools to track usage for a secure way to use the multifunction through either PIN code, card or biometric. The secure is also used for other security requirements. It is also used to monitor the utilization of the print fleet. Utilization will be shown from pulling automated meter reading, which we also use the readings for billing and proactive off-toner ordering. On the management side, this is to manage the cost by means of restrictions options, like defaulting a color MFP to a black and white, and color can be used or chosen as an option. Lastly, on the software, we also have automating for your business processes. We have an element of operational. This is the service level agreement. The service level agreement is for your servicing and the support element, which is servicing of your MFP. This SLA covers the repairs, parts, toners, travel, as per servicing terms and conditions of this contract. We have the management element. This is the management of the actual account with a specific client. Now we are going through a list of products in the different categories that we qualified in.
Good day everybody, my name is Greg, I'm from Kyocera Document Solutions South Africa, and I'm here to take you through some of the features of our Task Alpha and EcoSys ranges. Some features are the same throughout the machines, and some are different depending on what finishing options are installed. We'll start with the physical features of the machine, and then we'll take you through some of the basic features such as making a copy and sending a scan. So let's start with, first of all, the power switch. So the power switch, hard power switch, is found at the back of the machine on the right, and then there's a soft power switch on the front of the panel as well. We'll move on to the paper trays. All paper trays, the sizes vary between A5 and SRA3. As you can see, they can all move. And then they've got a slow lock as well, so when you push them in, they slow down like your kitchen cupboards. We'll move on to the document feeder to make the copy. So you generally put your papers in to make the copy, or lift the panel up and put them on the glass, and you'll see that they can either go from A4 to SRA3. Remember on the document feeder to insert the paper all the way so that the green light goes on, otherwise you're going to get blank copies. Going down from the device, we can also have a look and see where you would change the tone on this device. This is obviously a color device, and these little doors only open once the tone is ready to be changed. So as we move through the range on our devices, you'll see that the toners are the same. Also, this is a mono machine only. The drawer will only open, or door will only open once the toner is ready to be changed. And the same on the color devices, same toners. As you move on to the higher volume mono device, it's slightly different again. There's a lock that you unlock and you pull the toner cartridge out, and when it's ready to be replaced, you just put the new one back in, and remember to close the lock. And then on the smaller EcoSys, it's very similar. We just press a button, it opens, and we pull the toner cartridge out, and then insert the new one to replace it. On the right hand side of the machine is the bypass tray, and you generally use the bypass tray for your transparencies or anything that's a thick stock that you're going to do once-off kind of jobs on. So we move on to the staple finisher, and this is only if you have it installed on the device. So you would change your staples around here, and there's a how-to guide on the bottom of the finisher to show you how to change the staples. So I'm just going to show you now, if the machine ever does jam, how to clear those paper jams. And as you can see on the panel of the device, it sort of guides you where to start looking for the jam. On the guide, it'll tell you, so you open it up and remove any paper if there is any. Just be careful not to leave any fragments of paper behind. So I'll take you through some of the common features on the machine. As you can see, it's in a power save mode, so you can either just press the energy save button and the panel will wake up. You can see that the menu is consistent throughout our range. So just to do a couple of quick features or common features, such as a double-sided copy, you just touch on the copy and you would see there's a one-sided to one-sided. You just touch that, and you can choose a one-sided to two-sided, two-sided to one-sided, or two-sided to two-sided. You just touch that, put in your number of copies that you want to do, and hit the start button. Get back to sending a double-sided scan. So we just select send, select your destination, select your original setting, and it's a two-sided original. Is the original one-sided, two-sided, or is it a book? And select OK, and press the start button to send your double-sided scan. To get anywhere back to the main screen of the machine, you just press the home button and it takes you straight back to the home button, and you can see you get copy, send, all the different boxes. The same functions are here on the bottom of the panel as well, if the fax function is installed. To do a staple or a punch, again, everything is laid out nicely in the bottom of it in terms of your flow and what you need to do. We would just go into finishing or staple, select, do we want to do a top left, top right, or two staples left, or top or right, and as you touch on the button you'll see a picture appear with where the staple is. We're just going to say OK and press the start button, and then we have our staple document. If you forget to select staple when you make a print or a copy, you can come to the machine, select where you want it to be stapled, place the pack of documents inside the finisher, so it's generally all face down, hit the staple button. So you can see you can select your position, top left, bottom right, or 4 staples on the left, and then you have your stapled document. Also on the panel, you can have a look at the job status button. This allows you to view the jobs that you've printed. You can pause print jobs here, you can override the priority of jobs, so move them up and down in the print queue, and if any jobs are held here, you can release them from here too. Part of our offering on the current RT3 transversal contract is some software applications that allow you to control the cost, allocate cost to budget, as well as facilitate secure printing and follow me printing as well. This is my queue. We also offer paper cut, and as you can see, there's a couple of functions that have been programmed into the app to do, such as an easy scan, which will scan directly to the email of the person that you've logged into. You can have a look at your jobs that you've sent to be released, an easy copy option, as well as a panel scan and panel copy.